Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your blockchain account using PC. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into blockchain account on your PC, open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.blockchain.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official site of blockchain.com, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner and click the login button and you'll be able to see this interface. Here, you need to enter your email address or your wallet ID associated with your blockchain account. Make sure to type in your information correct. In my case, I'm going to type in my email. Soon after you do that, click the continue button. You'll need to verify your device by checking your email inbox. So simply open up a new tab and log into your email inbox. In my case, I've signed up using my Gmail, so let me click open my Gmail inbox. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to receive an inbox from blockchain.com. Give it a click to open and confirm your email address by clicking on yes, I confirm this is my email address. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your blockchain account using your PC. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.